puppies are 10 days old. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, and first puppy up is the firstborn, Boo. He's the black tri boy. He's starting to fill out a little bit. We still don't have our eyes open yet. He weighed in today at 1 pound, 10.8 ounces. This is Boo. He's a black tri. Here's his back. Here's his left side. Little boy Boo. That's Blueberry. Next is Trick, little girl, black and white girl. Here she is. Back. Whoa, gotta catch that yawn. Back side, she's got a full collar. She's the only girl in the litter. Left side. Right side. Well, come here, girlie. Show them your side. There's a yawn. She weighed in today at 1 pound, 10.7 ounces. This is Trick, little black and white girl, second born. Next is Treat. Are you Treat? Yes, you are. Treat is a black and white boy. It's his face. His backside. Oh, you're fine. His left side. He does not have a collar. And his right side. Mostly black. Treat weighed in at 1 pound, 12.8 ounces. Are you gonna yawn? Huh? This is Treat. Oh, there we go. Next is Mr. Little Pumpkin, or I'm calling him Pumpkin. He's the little red and white boy, the only red one in the litter. Here he is. This is Pumpkin. He weighed in today at 1 pound, 11.1 ounces. Backside. He does not have a full collar either. No, there's another yawn. I love puppy yawns. Left side. Yeah. Right side. Front side. This is Pumpkin. Alright, mister. Yeah. Let's see. Next up is Gomez. He's a black and white boy. This is his face. Let's see, he weighed in at 1 pound, 10.6 ounces. Left side. There's another big yawn. Left side, he's got a full collar. Right side. Back side. Oh, just wait. There you go. There's your back side. This is Gomez. Hold your head up there. There you go. And last is Goblin Black Tri. Everybody has to yawn. Back side. Oopsie, come here. There's your back side. Yeah, there's another yawn too. Back side. Right side. He does not have a full collar either. Left side. Goblin weighed in at 1 pound 10.7 ounces. Yes, yes. Oh, look at the camera. There you go. And that's all the babies. This t-shirt I have on is of Gilly from the first kit Twister breeding 2 years ago. And Gilly is the poster child for, let's see, there's a training club down in Florida that Gilly's mom belongs to. It is called, I can't turn the shirt around. I'm not sure. Maybe if Barbara Butler sees this video, she can make a comment on Facebook. But anyway, this is Gilly doing nose work down in Florida.